What's going on, family? So I am lining out my new stair design I'm about to get ready to do for a client. And I always like to say proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. So it's better to lay it out. It's real easy. You can draw it, on the tube or whatever you use and whatever thickness it is. And lay it out to make sure all your pieces are going to fit right. And then just cut everything and piece everything together to make sure you're doing it right. And when you build your second one, set it on top of the first one you built. That way it's completely identical to the one you just did. And it just saves you so much time when trying to figure out and make sure and go back. And with metal it's different than wood. You cut wood one time, you fuck up, you fucked up. With metal, at least if you mess it up, you can kind of feel more well in and make it happen, make it work. But it's better to just take your time and get it right the first time, in my personal opinion. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm lining out a new stair design, and I'm about to get my hog on.